Welcome to Aston Martin Jakarta Service Center Pondok Indah. And special thanks for 3M Jaya Lestari Makmur for this video featuring Aston Martin New Vantage Heritage Edition. This is one of 60 worldwide production and in Indonesia only one. I am Siska from Aston Martin Jakarta. This special edition featuring special color Porsche Gulf Blue, which is one of the most interesting color in the automotive industry. Special color from Aston Martin and represents the winner Le Mans edition in 2007 and 2008. And this special color, special edition of this New Vantage Heritage Edition has been featured at the Goodwood Festival of Speed 2019. So because we have the friends of 3M Jaya Lestari Makmur today installed this beautiful automotive window film, we actually have a special feature on this car, which is this aero kit. This aero kit is the shake magnet. It gives a very nice downforce to the car, and because it's a special limited edition, so we are waiting for the team to install the window film. Then we installed this beautiful aero kit, which is the huge wings on the back of the car. And we have a spoiler and the front spoiler of the car. Amazing, isn't it? That is the sound of the quad exhaust from this magnificent car, which is V8, has an engine of V8 twin turbo from Aston Martin that can boost this car from 0 to 62 miles per hour in only 3.6 seconds. And the top speed of this car is 195 miles per hour, which has a power of 503 horsepower at 6,000 RPM. So this is a magnificent car, and it's very comfortable for a female to drive every day. This unit is a very special unit because it's a gift from a mother to a son on his birthday. How amazing is it? So that's it. Thank you so much 3M Jaya Lestari Makmur for this video featuring Aston Martin Jakarta. Thank you so much for your visit to Aston Martin Jakarta Service Center. My name is Siska. I'll see you around.